Hey guys, welcome to the new channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your graphic card in Windows 11. So guys, there are two methods to check your graphic card. Let me just show you. Just right click on the start menu and go to taskbar. Once you're in taskbar, go to performance tab and there you will find GPU. So from here you can find out your GPU name and specs. As you can see, my GPU is AMD Radeon, and these are the other details of my graphic card. And there is another method to check your graphic card. So just right click on start menu and go to settings. Go to display, system and display. Now go to advanced display. Now click here. And there you can also find more details about your graphic card. So guys, this is how you can check your graphic card in Windows 11. So if this video helped you, make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.